This is Saudi Arabia. Rainfall has become very regular, and flooding is not a surprising thing anymore, especially from September to April. The neighboring countries like Yemen, Oman, Kuwait, and UAE suffer from flooding almost every year. Since rainfall has become very intense in the Arabian Peninsula, many parts of the deserts have turned into green land. Some areas now have permanent sources of water. Streams and rivers are starting to flow, and the valley has turned into a lake. It's hard to imagine, but if you read ancient literature, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has predicted these phenomena thousands of years ago. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stated that the final hour would not come until the land of Arabia reverts to meadows and rivers. This is quite an interesting prophecy. Pay attention to the fact that the word revert is used here. That means that Arabia once used to be green and full of meadows and rivers. Then it tells us that it will somehow go from being a dry desert to a wetland once again. Recent studies confirm that Arabia used to be a forest, lush with greenery and rain. In fact, it was so wet and full of life that even hippos used to live there. Michael Petroglia, one of the people involved in the archaeological Green Arabia project, states in an interview, "We looked at satellite images and found that there are literally thousands of ancient rivers that crisscrossed Saudi Arabia. We also now count 10,000 ancient lakes. We have fossils of elephants. These were gigantic creatures, much larger than the African elephant. Now, what was predicted years ago has now come true. Climate change and human intervention have turned Saudi Arabia into green land sooner than people could imagine. How perfect is Allah, the Creator?"
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.